Hello guys, today we have a new topic 5 Microsoft Word features that you will work from home easier faster. Microsoft Word comes with a host of features that make preparing and formatting a text file or document faster and easier. Here are some best Microsoft Word features that you can use to make your work from home life easier. Work from home is increased dependence on features and products that increase productivity and save time. Consumers are constantly on a lookout for effective way to work. Microsoft Word is one of the most popular word processing tools used extensively by business and individuals. Words comes with a host of features that make preparing and formatting a text file or documents faster and easier. Here are some of the best Microsoft Word features that can make working from home easier. Dictate in Word. Whether you are a college student or an administrator, or a little help with writing is always welcome. The dictate feature helps you save time and make work significantly easier. Before using the dictate feature on Microsoft Word, make sure to turn on your microphone and test to see if it's functioning properly. If you don't know how to best test the microphone of the device you are using, select the Windows Start button, then select Settings, Time and Language Speech. You can set up your microphone by selecting the Get Started button. Transcribe tool. The Microsoft Word features called Transcribe works with recorded audio and live speaking and can detect different speakers. It also allows you to pull quotes from the transcription and insert them as you please into the document. If you wish to add the whole recording to your document, click the button at the bottom of the windows. You can also start a new transcription, but keep in mind that it will be erase the one you currently have. How to use Transcribe on Microsoft Word? You will have to go to the online version of Word first, which you can access from the Microsoft Office site. Then open up either a new document or the one of you wish to add transcription to. You will see a microphone option in the tool ribbon at the top of the screen with the word dictate under it. Click the arrow next to it and the transcribe option should appear in the smart lookup and researcher drop-down menu. This Microsoft Word features automatically finds information on the web without forcing users to open up an internet browser and run a search manually. Researcher in Microsoft Word helps you find and incorporate reliable sources and content for your paper in just a few steps. Explore and research the material related to your content and add it to which sections in the document. Without leaving Word, to enable, click on Tell me what you want to do in the ribbon menu at the top and select Smart Lookup. Once enabled, simply select a word or phrase in your document. Right click it and choose Smart Lookup. Editor in Word. Check your spellings and grammar while working on a document with Editor in Word. The editor does not only check the spellings but can also check for over 65 grammar issues and refinements, including hyphenation, passive voice, Oxford comma. All the grammar and refinement options are available in the Word option dialog box. To enable, you would need to choose include grammar from the Word options, the dialog box, file options, proofing, check grammar with spelling. Save documents on the cloud. Microsoft allows you to save your words on the cloud to protect against device loss or damage and to provide anywhere access to files. When you go to save a document, the dialog box will default OneDrive or SharePoint Online. Additionally, if you forget to save a new document before exiting, you will also see the updated save experience with the document open in an Office program. So friends, please keep watching my videos as we will updating the videos with the latest news updates and requests for the specific feedback. Thank you.